Okay, so we're going to look at position and direction, and we're looking at step 3, reflection with coordinates. So it's carrying on from yesterday's work, which was just based on reflection. Now we're going to think about coordinates as well. So here's, just to remind you, there's our grid. We've got the x-axis and the y-axis. This is our mirror line, and coordinate x is plotted at the coordinate 6, 9. Okay. Shape A is reflected in the mirror line to position B. So we've got shape A, and it's been reflected to shape B. Write the coordinates of the vertices for each shape. So remember that vertice means corner, okay? All right, and you've got the colors here to help you. So on shape A, the original coordinate, okay, we've got 7, 7. So I'm going to put, don't forget, still need to put it in brackets, 7, 7. Okay, and that has been reflected. Now, which one is it been reflected to? It's been reflected to this one. Okay, we can see that there. And that's 7, 5. 7, 5. Okay, now we're going to look at the green original, which is up here, and that's 9 along the corridor, up the stairs, 9, 10. Okay, so we've got 9 and we've got 10. Okay, and then that point is reflected here. Okay, that vertice. So it's 9, 2, 9, 2. Okay, 9 and 2. And then we've got the blue one, which was 11, 7. And that has been reflected to this one, which is 11, 5. So we've written the coordinates for the original shape A and its reflected one. Okay, so shape A is reflected in the mirror line to position B. So that was our shape A. It's been reflected to shape B. And it's going to ask us again to write the coordinates of the vertices for each shape. So we've got the purple one, 2, 10. Okay, so we're going to write 2, forgot my bracket, 2, 10. Okay, now let's be careful here. Is it reflected to this vertice? No, and you can use your mirror line, count away from the mirror line to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the point that's 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is this vertice, which is 10, 10. 10. So 10. Okay, then the green, 2, 6. 2, 6. And so that one again is reflected here. So that's 10, 6. 10, 6. Whoops. Okay, the blue, which is 5, 6. 5, 6. Just make that comma. So the blue is 1 away from the mirror line, so it must be this vertice, which is 10, 6. No, beg your pardon, which is 7, 6. 7, 6. And our final one is the yellow one, and that is 5, 10. And that has been reflected, writing is getting worse, to this one, which is 7, 10. Okay, there we go. So we had the original coordinates and the reflected coordinates. Okay, so this one says write the coordinates of the shape after it has been reflected in the mirror line. So first job, we've got 2 things to do. First of all, we need to reflect it. So we know 1 away, 1 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 away, 1 away, and that's not going to be 4 again. Okay, so it doesn't really matter which one you write first. I'm going for this one, which is 6, 7. I'm going to write it in here if I can, 6, 7. And I'm going to do this one, which is 9, 7. 9, 7. Then we're going to do this one, which is 6, 5. And the final one, which is 9, 5. 9, 5. Okay, the last one, again, write the coordinates of the shape after it's been reflected in the mirror line. So again, the first thing you need to do is reflect your shape. Okay, 3 away, and I've got 3 vertices there. I don't need to draw it in because I'm just worried about the coordinates today. So that's 6, 9, 6, 9. This one is 6, 11. And the last one is 10, 11. Okay. All right. So press pause and try questions 1 to 3 on Seesaw. Okay, so these are the coordinates of a square. This is a reasoning and problem solving. So the coordinates of a square: 3, 11, 5, 11, 5, 13, 3, 13. Draw the square on the grid. This is the object, label it R. Okay, so I'm just going to change my color here. So 3, 11, so long corridor up the stairs to there. That is point A. Okay. B is 5, 11, 5, 11, which is there. C is 5, 13. Oh dear, I've written my B and A in the wrong place. I'll just get rid of those. Hold on. Let's get rid of that. Okay, go back there. So let's put A here and B there. Don't want them in the way. And D is 3, 13, which is here. Oop. Okay, draw the square. So let's draw my square as straight as I can. It's a bit better. Okay, label it R. So it's called R. This is the object. So object R. Reflect the object in the horizontal mirror line and label it S. Yes, you see, we have 2 mirror lines today, okay, on this question. So the horizontal. So what does horizontal mean? It means going across. Okay, so I've got to reflect that in the horizontal line. So B would be reflected here, 1 away. A would be reflected here. D is 3 away, 1, 2, 3. And C is also 3 away. Okay, so I've reflected that one. I just used a different color just to make it stand out a bit and label it S. Reflect the object. So again, you're going back to this. This is the object. S is not the object. S is a reflection. So R is the object. So reflect it in the vertical mirror line and label it T. So our vertical one is the one that goes up or down. Okay, and again, I'm just going to change the color. So now C is 2 away. B is 2 away. A is 4 away. And D is 4 away. Okay. Join those, and label it T. There we go. So I've had 2 mirror lines, vertical, horizontal, and I've reflected my object R in both. Okay, so press pause and complete question 4 on Seesaw. Good luck.